You're number one. You're number one. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today we're making number one cookies. These cookies are perfect for sporting events, for Father's Day, for graduation, or anything where you're celebrating somebody's victory or achievement. And I'm actually using the Mickey Mouse number one cookie cutter here, but I'm going to turn it into a foam finger. So I outlined and flooded my cookie and I let it dry completely. And now I'm going back using a projector, and I'm just going to use some detailed consistency white royal icing and pipe in the fingers. I'm using a projector to get my design here, but you could also use the tissue paper or the paper piecing method and trace your design on with an edible marker and then pipe over the top. And I'll leave a link in the description on where you can find a tutorial on using those methods. And once I've got it all piped, I'm just going to take my dampened paintbrush and move my lines out just a little bit because I'm a perfectionist, and then I'll just write in my number one, and these cookies are done and they're ready to celebrate. And you guys are all number one to me. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't yet, hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. See you next time.